Circular fashion, closing the loop. In a world where the fashion industry is responsible for 10% of global carbon emissions and 20% of global wastewater, the concept of circular fashion has emerged as more than just a trend, it's becoming an imperative. At Restyle Revolution, we're not just adopting circular principles, we're pioneering a comprehensive approach that transforms how clothing is made, used, and given new life. Today, we invite you to explore what circular fashion truly means and how our practices are helping to reshape the industry. Understanding circular fashion beyond sustainability. Traditional fashion follows a linear take, make, dispose model. Raw materials are extracted, transformed into products, briefly used, and ultimately discarded. This approach has led to staggering waste: 92 million tons of textile waste annually, with 85% ending up in landfills. Circular fashion represents a fundamental shift in this paradigm. As defined by the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, it's based on 3 core principles. Eliminate waste and pollution from the start. Keep products and materials in use at their highest value. Regenerate natural systems rather than simply depleting them. This approach transforms the entire life cycle of clothing, from how it's designed and manufactured to how it's used, reused, and eventually recycled. The goal is to create a closed loop where nothing is wasted and everything serves a purpose, even at the end of its conventional life. The Restyle Revolution approach to circularity. At Restyle Revolution, circularity isn't just a marketing term, it's woven into every aspect of our operations. Here's how we're implementing circular principles throughout our business. 1. Thoughtful design and materials selection. Circularity begins at the design stage. Our designers create garments with their entire life cycle in mind. Timeless aesthetics. We focus on enduring designs rather than fleeting trends, ensuring our pieces remain relevant season after season. Durable construction. Each garment is crafted to withstand years of wear, with reinforced seams and quality finishes that prevent premature disposal. Monomaterial approach. Whenever possible, we use single fiber compositions that simplify recycling at end of life. Organic materials. Our cotton is grown without chemical interference throughout its life cycle, in fields free from toxins. This not only protects ecosystems, but ensures materials can safely return to the biological cycle. 2. Zero waste manufacturing. Our state-of-the-art factories implement precision cutting techniques that dramatically reduce fabric waste. But we go further. Pattern optimization. Computer-aided design helps us maximize material usage and minimize offcuts. Offcut repurposing. Any fabric remnants are collected and transformed into new products, from accessories to home goods, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Closed loop water system. Our manufacturing process uses a revolutionary water recycling system that filters all water to drinking standards before recirculating it. This reduces freshwater consumption by over 95% compared to conventional manufacturing. Renewable energy. 100% of our factory operations are powered by on-site wind and solar energy, eliminating the carbon footprint associated with production. 3. Non-toxic processes. Conventional textile processing introduces numerous toxins that harm both people and planet. Our approach eliminates these hazards. Water-based dyes and inks. We use only non-toxic, water-based colorants that contain no formaldehyde, chlorine bleach, or heavy metals. ZDHC compliance. Our processes adhere to zero discharge of hazardous chemicals guidelines, ensuring no harmful substances enter the environment. Microplastic prevention. By avoiding synthetic materials and treatments that shed microplastics, we protect waterways and marine life. 4. Extended use phase. The most sustainable garment is the one already in your wardrobe. We help extend the active life of our clothing through care guides. Each product comes with detailed instructions for proper care to maximize longevity. Repair resources. We provide tutorials and resources to help customers repair minor damage rather than discard items. Versatile styling. Our designs can be styled multiple ways, increasing their utility and reducing the need for additional purchases. 5. Take Back Program. Completing the circle. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of our approach is our comprehensive Take Back program. Free returns. Any Restyle Revolution product can be returned to us at the end of its life via free shipping. Customer incentives. As a thank you for participating, customers receive a discount on their next purchase, encouraging continued engagement with circular practices. Material recovery. Returned items are carefully sorted. Those in good condition are cleaned and resold through our Restyle Renewed collection. Items that can't be resold are disassembled, with materials recycled into new fibers or products. Zero landfill policy. We guarantee that no returned product will end up in landfill, with 100% of materials either reused, recycled, or safely biodegraded. Currently only available to UK returns. 6. Regenerative initiatives. Going beyond neutral. True circularity isn't just about reducing harm, it's about actively restoring natural systems. Our partnership with Just One Tree demonstrates this commitment. Tree planting. For each newsletter subscriber who makes a purchase, we plant a tree. For every 12 sales, we plant an additional 4 trees. Kelp regeneration. We donate £1 to kelp forest regeneration projects for every 12 sales, supporting these vital marine ecosystems that sequester carbon up to 20 times more efficiently than land-based forests. Biodiversity support. Our regenerative initiatives help restore habitats for countless species, contributing to healthier, more resilient ecosystems. The impact of our circular approach independent audits of our circular system have documented remarkable results. 99.7% reduction in freshwater consumption compared to industry averages. Zero discharge of untreated wastewater. 100% compliance with ZDHC guidelines. 62% carbon footprint reduction through our integrated approach. Thousands of garments diverted from landfill through our Take Back program. Hundreds of trees planted and marine ecosystems supported through our regenerative initiatives. Circular fashion. The future is now. While many brands are beginning to explore aspects of circularity, Restyle Revolution stands apart through our comprehensive approach. We don't just implement isolated circular practices, we've redesigned our entire business model around closing the loop. The fashion industry stands at a critical juncture. The linear model that has dominated for decades is unsustainable, both environmentally and economically. Circular fashion isn't just an alternative, it's the inevitable future of the industry. By choosing Restyle Revolution, you're not just purchasing clothing, you're participating in a revolutionary approach that proves fashion can be both beautiful and responsible. You're helping to close the loop and demonstrate that a circular economy is not only possible, but preferable. Join the revolution. Ready to be part of the circular fashion movement? Here's how you can participate. Shop consciously. Choose Restyle Revolution garments designed with circularity in mind. Care thoughtfully. Follow our care guides to extend the life of your clothing. Return responsibly. When your garment has reached the end of its useful life, send it back to us for recycling. Spread the word. Share your commitment to circular fashion with friends and family. The path to a truly sustainable fashion industry is circular. At Restyle Revolution, we're proud to be leading the way, and we invite you to join us on this journey. www.restylerevolution.co.uk. Want to learn more about our circular practices? Subscribe to our newsletter for behind-the-scenes insights and exclusive offers on our eco-friendly collections. Remember, each subscription that leads to a purchase means another tree planted for our planet's future.